And that brings us to this beautiful piece right here. This is our induction range. It's a Pro Harmony range. So when we say Pro Harmony, it's the door sits quite in harmony with your cabinetry at 24-inch install. You can do a zero clearance to the back wall there as well. But it's really the feature sets that come on the Liberty induction cooking that I find. Now, obviously, being at a show where we haven't really finalized all the cleaning, that's why you'll see some dirtiness on this. I'm sure your stores have these on display as well. But the piece that I love about this is this being a little bit more than the amperage we have at the show. Mm-hmm. The top does not turn on, but I want to draw your attention to a couple of functions that we have in our induction pieces. Number one is Cook Smart. Have you ever made pancakes before?
Not well.
Usually my first set are bad.
Uh-huh.
My middle set of pancakes are always great, and my last set of pancakes are like terrible because the pan is too hot. You know, I'm overcooking them. So what Cook Smart is going to do, it actually regulates the temperature. Instead of having 17 different power levels, 1 through 9, and then like steps in between, once you activate, you turn it on, you select your zone. In this case, I maybe have right here, this zone here, and then I would tap Cook Smart. Instead of seeing 1 through 9, you're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's a low, a medium low, a medium high, and a high. Well, 3 in the use and care manual tells me that if I want to make the perfect pancake every single time, 3. So I don't put anything in here, I just select 3. And now what it's going to do, it's actually going to heat that pan just like an oven would. So I do a preheat in an oven, that's what I'm doing. I'm preheating that pan. It'll beep at me. Once it does that, I start cooking. Put all my pancakes, my first set of pancakes are as great as my middle set, as great as my last set every single time, because what's happening, it's raising and lowering the power level, but it's maintaining a temperature every single time.
And it's getting that pot or pan hot quick enough that you really don't need nonstick cookware, right?
Correct. You think about it, it's really for that batch cooking in a frying pan.
Yeah.
And that's really what the different elements would be for. And that's Cook Smart. Power Move, you know, you might have heard in the past for Bosch, we call it Heat Shift. And that's a French cooking surface, right? You know what a French cooktop is. Mm-hmm. Heat source, and then as you move it away, it gets cooler.
Yeah, you can get the rolling boil, so to speak. That's the beauty of a French top. You've got that rolling boil capability where it's hot, hot, hot in one point, and then you can kind of slide that pot or pan off to the edge, and it's not quite as hot.
That's exactly what we're doing on induction. And so right here, it starts at a 9, and once it's so boiling fine, think of like rice quinoa, something like that, right? The same 3 steps, boil, and then lower it down and simmer cook, and then just let it rest. Well, that's what this is. 9, you scoot it over into the middle, that's a 5. Scoot it to the back, that's 1.5. You ready for this? I said 9, a 5, a 1.5. I said 9, a 5, a 1.5. I said 9, 5. We're in an interview, aren't we? You'll never forget it now, right? What is it here?
9, 5, 1.5.
And I'm not as stupid as I look.
Oh, man. Good stuff. Thank you, AJ, for taking us through the booth. You know, we really appreciate really appreciating you allowing us to have a sneak peek at the latest and greatest from BSH.
Don't tell my bosses.
Yeah, right?
I had a great time, Matt.
Thank you.
Really, I did. Thank
really
you so
appreciate
much.
it.